Well, G-Body fam, I got the gas tank out, springs loose. Trying to finish taking this rear end apart. Ain't had the right size and AutoZone closed, so shit. Yeah, probably wait till tomorrow. Finish taking these pipes loose. All this old stuff, all this stuff will get repainted, cleaned up. All that good stuff. I said, putting in a little work today. Shocks loose, got it on some jack stands, changed the locks. Anybody let me know if y'all can find a 78 through 80 trunk. This one's completely gone. Yeah, that's about it for this update. Just trying to keep the W30 in line. Yeah, that's a real W30.